Hey YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. A&D Auto, small engine. Today's video is about air hose and air tool compatibility when you're running an air compressor. Today we got Teflon tape, we got fittings. The most important thing about the fittings that go on your tools and the fittings that go on your air tools, on your hose as well, you need to make sure you got a full set. If you don't have a full set, you're going to have air leaks. They won't all be compatible. So I bought a new air hose because they wear out. I'm going to go ahead and Teflon tape it up. That ought to do it. Make sure it's neat. One end's going to plug in to a tool. So there you go, the tool end. Get a couple of wrenches and tighten that up after. On the other end, we're going to Teflon tape that up. That ought to do it. And so once you Teflon tape that up, then you put your new fittings on. One end goes to the tool, one end goes to the new air hose. So then you just tighten the fittings with a wrench on here and on here. Tighten them down on both sides. And then you're good to go. Thanks for tuning. Stay tuned for our next episode, A&D Auto. Any questions, put them in the comments.